Alright, continuing right where I left before, it says find the inverse matrix of Q. I'm using a calculator for that, so I go to calculator, second matrix, go to edit, Q, let's do this, I'll put in C. You can put wherever you want. I'll go to C. Q is a 2 by 2. It's 1.5, 0, negative 0.25. Second quit, second matrix, go down to C, because that was my Q, inverse, so negative 1 power, click enter, you get that. It is 1, 2, 0, negative 4. 1, 2, 0, negative 4. No, that is P. So, the inverse of Q is P. And last, find the determinant of P. That's easy. Use the calculator, but this is a simple one, so I'm just going to multiply it. So diagonal, A times D, that's negative 4. Multiply that, that's 0. Subtract them, negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. That's our answer, D. And we could check, so in case y'all are nervous. Second matrix, let's edit, let's do 2 by 2. P is 1, 2, 0, negative 4. Second quit, second matrix, go right. Determinants in math. Second matrix, P was my A. So it says negative 4. Alright, 17. Find that means determinant, using diagonals. So you could rewrite the thing like this with the last two columns on the side again. So 4, 3, 6, negative 1, 5, negative 2. And do diagonals. Get that number, that number, add them. Then you get this number, this number, this number, add them, and subtract those two final numbers. Now, 3 by 3s are more for pre-AP. So I'm just going to do the calculator. So second matrix, edit. I'll make it 3 by 3 for A. So 1, 4, negative 1. 0, 3, 5. 2, 6, negative 2. Second quit. Second matrix, go right for math. Determines first one. Second matrix, A. Enter, I get 10. My answer here is J. 18. Cramer's rule is used to solve this system. Which determinant represents the numerator for n? So let me do this rest. 3m minus 5n equals 12. 4m plus 7n equals negative 5. Now if you remember, Cramer's uses determinants only, so we got to make this into a coefficient matrix. We have 3, negative 5, 4, 7, and the answer is this, 12, negative 5. Now this first one is the original, which we will need for the bottom. Now if we want the n, we replace the original with, how do this? Replace the n column for the original. This was n, sorry, that was m, and this was n, this was the answer. If on n, I replace the n column with the answer, so I keep m alone. I change n with the answer, 12, negative 5. And that's my answer. And just for extra, m would be leaving the n column alone, changing m with the answers. So this first column would change to 12, negative 5, and this would stay negative 5, 7. But, again, they want n. So 3, 4, 12, negative 5. This is C. So some problems test not the answer, but do you know the process? 19. How do you find the answer using inverse matrices? Well, remember, you just multiply the inverse. So if we had this, 3, 2, negative 4, 1, times AB equals this. And we want to get AB by itself. Remember, we don't divide by this giant matrix. We multiply by its inverse. 3, negative 4, 2, 1, inverse. 3, 2, negative 4, 1, inverse. So we have to figure out what that number is. So that's for the calculator. Or if you're pre-AP, you can find it, do 1 divided by the determinant, switch A and D, then change the signs for B and C. So second matrix, edit, A is going to be a 2 by 2. It's going to be 3, -4, 2, 1. Second quit, second matrix, go right. We're going to do, just write it down actually, second matrix, A, inverse, -1. Now you get these decimals. Again, if you have decimals, click math, enter, enter, turn to fractions. So that is my inverse. So this left, the green matrix, or sorry, the blue matrix on the right should be 1/11, 4/11, -2/11, 3/11. 1/11, 4/11, -2/11, 3/11. 2/11, 3/11. Now they don't like all these fractions. They actually want to take that out. That 11 can come out. So really, that's the same thing as saying 1/11 on the outside. We have 1, 4, -2, 3 on the inside. So that should have been the left of 6, 7. So where's that? That is F. So you can find the determinant, one of the determinant, and notice how they switch the spots of A and D. They change the signs of B and C. -4 is now +4. 2 is now -2. Alright, and that is it. So if you can do all that, you should be fine for the test. Alright, this is Mr. Wynn. Thanks for watching.